Tea time with Trav. I got the second vaccine a couple weeks ago, y'all. The swine flu, H1N1, they might be the same thing, I don't know. Ebola, mad cow disease. None of them started a whole pandemic. They were able to be controlled. But then again, we also had presidents that did their job. What's going on, y'all? It's AyooTravv, and I'm back, baby, back. I'm back again. Y'all, today I have Buffalo Wild Wings. Y'all know I haven't done that in a minute. But I was riding by there today because I had to go get something from the post office. And I was like, oh yeah, in a minute. Let me do that. But before I start, y'all, I'm going to take my emergency. Y'all, true story. Ever since the pandemic started, I try to make it my mission to do this at least once a day. Now, I don't always succeed. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, but I try. I think it's very disgusting. I noticed the other day that they have different flavors. They have like pink lemonade. What else did I see? I saw something with grape, if I'm not mistaken. I do, like I said, I think emergency is pretty disgusting. So usually when I drink it, I try to chug it all at once because it's just gross. But whatever. I'm gonna start eating. Which one do I want? What do I want? They know. I guess COVID affecting Buffalo Wild Wings because these wings so small today. Yeah, these real small. Okay, I guess. I'm glad I got 30 of them. They really played in my face, y'all. Look at this. You know what? Okay. If anything, I love their ranch. I'm gonna call up there after this video because they really played. Oh. How they go there? Mine's going good. I'm eating early, y'all. It's like, it's like 12:15. That bone. I don't know. I'm telling y'all, all this noise, it was quiet. There was no noise being made. And then as soon as I start filming, boom, noise. They play too much. But I'm hungry, so. Try to drink some of this, y'all. Ugh. It's so nasty to me. Ugh. Ugh. It's nasty. It's not orange enough. Like it tastes like water with a hint of orange. It ain't good. We're gonna get into our combo after this wing. This wing. This wing. All right. Tea time with Trav. Yeah, we have a couple things that we're going to discuss. Which is going to be all over the place. No direct topic, but praise up for DMX, y'all. He is still healing from a possible overdose. So just keep his family in your prayers. What else did I want to talk about? Oh, I got the second vaccine a couple weeks ago, y'all. Can't remember if I told y'all. I think I told y'all, but I didn't go into detail. I got it March 20 something. I don't remember the exact date. It was March 20 something, but I feel fine. I feel fine, y'all. My arm was hurting again, but it wasn't as bad as the first time at all. In this one, I don't think I slept. Like, y'all know I talked about that first one knocked me out. Yeah, I thought I fell out now. But the second one didn't really put me to sleep. I was just cool. I was chilling. Now, I will say the first one I didn't feel much when they actually did it. But now the second one, I felt that one. I definitely felt that. I said, get the, you trying to knock my arm off. I felt that. But everything cool. Me and my close-knit friends, we all have been vaccinated. None of them experienced any side effects either. So that's good. And I'm just ready to accept life for what it is now and accept the new normal and just move forward. Because I couldn't just be, y'all, I was stuck in the house, for real. I was not going out and stuff. So it was like, at some point, I'm going to have to put my big boy pants on and accept what our new normal is. That's that. And I'm ready. I'm going on a birthday trip excited for that. And it's been my first real trip since COVID started. Y'all know I went to a Prissy house, but I was only there for 2 days, a day and a half. This one, and next time I go to Prissy, I'm going to stay much longer. I just had work to do, so I had to get back. But my birthday trip, I'm gonna be going for 5 days. I'm finna live it up. I'm gonna tell y'all where I'm going as it gets closer. And I'm gonna try to vlog. I don't want to make no promises and then I don't keep it. So I'm gonna ask y'all again multiple times until I accept the answer. If y'all want me to vlog my birthday trip. And I also want to know, if y'all do want me to vlog it, what are you trying to see or what do you want to see? Because I know y'all always meet. And that's cool. And then we have our conversation. Y'all love that as well. But it's like, do y'all want to see me being goofy? I want to see me, like, what do y'all want to see? I know y'all probably want to get to know me on a more personal level. So, let me know. I'm gonna wipe my hands off. I'm playing Traviee. Why I didn't open this up? Okay, we'll do that. My hands are sticky. That's what I get out of you. Because they know that sauce will get you together. Together forever. Can you put this on your mouth? I don't know. So I'm not gonna do it. Ugh. Oh, it's so disgusting. Ugh. Ugh. Anyway, ugh. Like, we have different events planned for the trip. Let me know if y'all want me to vlog that. I really appreciate it. Thank you. But back to the pandemic. We have reached officially over a year of when lockdown started. And now, like I said, I know, people are getting vaccinated. Some people are not getting vaccinated. Some people are just, saying it is what it is. But regardless, this is life changing. I still cannot believe, and y'all can judge me if you want. I still can't believe that this pandemic even happened. We see it in movies, we see it in television, we read it in books. But to say that I was alive and the pandemic shut down the world, not just Atlanta, not New York, not Chicago, it shut down the world. Like, is this real? That was my first thought, y'all. I'm gonna be honest. I just kept saying, is this real? I genuinely thought that it was just gonna go away. But other stuff, excuse me. Y'all know there's other things that I thought were gonna lead to a pandemic, but they didn't. Like the swine flu, H1N1, they might be the same thing, I don't know. Ebola. Well, mad cow disease. None of them started a whole pandemic. They were able to be controlled. But then again, we also had presidents during those times, like them or not, that did their job and knew how to do their job. Dorito Head didn't know how to do that. Dorito Head was a joke. Dorito Head was a reality star, and that's where he belonged on television. Because he's entertaining. I will give him that. He is entertaining. Because the whole 4 years that man was in office, he was a clown. And he made everybody laugh. Everybody was laughing at America. China laughing at America. Japan laughing at America. Haiti laughing at America. Democrats laughing at America. Republicans laughing at America. Everybody was laughing at America. Because it was just a big reality TV show. And they wanted to know. Every year was a new season. Every time that man said something or did something, there was a new episode. Everybody was tuned in. Why not? Why not? It's comedy, y'all. These wings, they really got me messed up. I was going to tell Lord. I'm going to call them after the video. And these got broken bones in it. You know what? Me and Buffalo Wild Wings going to have some words, I promise y'all. So let me know, where were y'all? That's what I want to know. Where were y'all when you first found out that the world was getting shut down? Where were you and what were you doing? I was at home because it's my job at the time. They're jackasses, just like the president was a jackass as well. And they would not send people home. Even after Atlanta got put on a curfew. Atlanta had got put on a, it was 7 or 8? Somewhere between 7 and 9, there was a curfew, PM, for Atlanta. My job still had people working till 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whenever you were scheduled to get off, they didn't care. They were, like I said, they were jackasses. So, I'm going to expand upon that topic as far as not needing a job, not needing these jobs that we're used to working. I'm going to explain that in another video. But, needless to say, they then, I think it was, no, it wasn't Trump. Somebody issued a state of emergency. I don't know. This chick don't look right. I mean, it might have been our governor. Somebody said something that made them create the work from home option. So, I gave us the option. They said, if you want to work from home, you can. Take all your stuff, work at the house. If you don't want to work from home and you want to stay here, we will pay you double time. No, it was time and a half. Time and a half for every hour. And they knew that people would jump on it because I'm making this. Like, huh? For every hour. Or, no, it might have been double. It was not time and a half or a double. I don't remember. Whatever. But that's what, like, they kept them people in office because of money. Money. People are like, I don't know when I'm going to get this opportunity again. This is a lot of money. Da, 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 da. And I'm just like, y'all are weird. Y'all are weird. I'm not ignorant to this. It wasn't really too pleasing. I just couldn't believe, and I wasn't trying to make anybody feel bad, but the people that I work with that actually did build some type of relationship with, who did choose to stay, most of them didn't. But I was just like, you're risking your health for $1. And then lo and behold, so I went home that day and finished the rest of the day working from home. That very next day, y'all. The very next day. No. Yeah, the next day. One of my coworkers texted me and was like, they're making everybody go home. And I said, what do you mean? She was like, they declared this state of emergency, even if people who wanted to work can't get time and a half, they have to go home. They're shutting the whole building down. And I said, oh, well, go figure. They wait till they're forced to do something. Like these companies, you know what? Oh, I don't do that so nasty. I'm gonna finish that little swig, y'all, I promise. I'm gonna just chug it off camera. Oh, no. No, thank you. Nope. So anyway, I'm about to go ahead and sign out, y'all. Y'all already know, if you haven't checked the description box below, www.AyooTravv.com. That is the website. There you can get the AO merch, AO sauce, all that. AO sauce will be back on sale tomorrow night at midnight. So that's Thursday night. Once it go from 11:59 to midnight, boom, AO sauce is on sale. Get it, got it, good. If you're not subscribed to the channel, right there, boom, right there, boom, so you can notify these every time I drop a video. But if you want to stay connected with AyooTravv, jump back to the description box, go down to the bottom, boom, right there on the thing. Send me social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, you want to do, follow me, leave me comments, leave me notes, do whatever, let me know, like, what's done, like, what's want to see, what's done, what's want to say, what's done, what's done, what's done, what's done, other than that, it's been real, AyooTravv is out, peace.